Hi! I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. This is actually take two because the first time I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So here we go again. It's the Quilter's candy box for June. It won't be a surprise anymore because I did open it already, but here we go. You guys are gonna love it. So again, it comes with a pink tissue paper, which is super cute, and it has the card of everything that is in the box. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see a little better. Okay, and it's Christmas in June, so it has all these vintage holiday from Bonnie and Camille. It's awesome. So we get a fat quarter pack. It has 5 different fabrics. Let me go ahead and open it up so you can see. I think this is curated by Bonnie and Camille. So it has, again, 5. So let me open it up. It has the ornaments, the pink background with the white cream ribbon, little Christmas tree silhouettes on red, silver snowflakes on white background. I hope you can see that, no glare, and this evergreen with little silver, I guess like holly berries, silver and red holly berries. So that's that. Get this cute water bottle, beautiful color, my daughter will love it. Fabric and scissors and pins and needles and thread. So it's just a water bottle, which we love in Hawaii, and a 10-inch layer cake. I think it's half a layer cake. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm going to keep it with a ribbon, but let's just go through it real quickly. So again, the vintage ornament. So 2 of those. So it looks like there might be 2 of each. So 2 plain minty, a candy stripe with the mint green and the red and white, the flowers, so there's 2 of those, the flowers. Oh, it has a little silver, can you see the little silver accents with that, red snowflakes on a like a dusty rose, same Christmas fabric, Christmas tree, polka dots on red background. That's a red bow tie, and that's the pink bow tie, and the same, can you see the snowflake with the silver polka dot on the white or cream background. Well, there's 3 of those. That's nice. Green gingham background, the same holly berry with the silver and the leaves, and 2 of that. So there you go, super cute. I love this. I have so many of these, but can never have enough. So that's that one, and it comes with 2 patterns, and this one is a vintage holiday mini. So it's a little mini quilt and ornaments, so that's really cute. Maybe I can make that and hang it in my office. And this is the Cotton Way by Bonnie from Bonnie and Camille. It's fat quarter friendly, and it's called Christmas Cheer. So I really wanted to make this one. I almost bought the kit but decided not to, so I'm glad. Now I have all the fabric and I have the pattern now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye!